Hello goodies, welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. I'm so happy to have you back here with me. Today I'm going to show you how to make breaded and unbreaded chicken wings like a chef. Now, if you are here watching me cooking for your very first time and you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so and turn on your post notification settings so that you will never ever miss another one of my uploads. Let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother.
Okay, goodie, let's jump right into it. I have some chicken wings here that has been nicely washed with salt, lemon juice, and vinegar. Make sure that you wash them nice and clean and check if you have any feathers because you don't want to be cooking chicken wings with feathers on it. Now, before I add the seasoning to it, I go in and get a clean paper towel and just get some of that excess water that might be hanging out on the chicken, just to make sure that my seasoning is well soaked into the chicken wings. Now, how I season it is add some salt and black pepper to the chicken, like so. And then I go in with some onion powder and garlic powder to the mix. And then, in fact, I go in with some of my Ocheria's chicken seasoning because I love it, and you could also substitute. And I did add some all-purpose seasoning to it as well. I'm going to give this thing some flavor, right? Give it a really good mix and allow it to sit and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Alright, moving along, we're going to make our flour mix, right? So I make it easy for those. So in a plastic Ziploc bag, I added about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I went in with some Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese or powdered Parmesan cheese, or you want to call that. Then I added some baking powder to it as well. Do not add baking soda. A little bit of salt for flavor. A tad bit, not too much. And I did go in and add a tad bit of the black pepper as well. And all the amount that I'm using here will be listed down in the description box. Now, to the flour mix, I went in and add some garlic powder and some chicken seasoning to it. Show it up a notch. And a tad bit of the paprika to give that chicken wings some color. Alright, because we are doing this unbreaded, and a little bit of chili powder as well. Okay, give it a good mix and a good shake combination, and we're all set to go with that. Now, moving right along, after 30 minutes, I'm ready to season. So I go in and just put everything in a Ziploc bag because I want to make this thing really, really fast and easy to do, right? We ain't gonna waste no time laying up in this kitchen. So let's go ahead and give it a nice little shake and a nice little mix. Make sure that your chicken is well floured. And of course, I'm doing unbreaded, so I only did a portion of the chicken wings this way. The one that I did unbreaded, I only seasoned. That was it. I didn't add anything else besides season it up. That's where we stop there, okay? And separate the two. Okay, as far as your oil is concerned, you want to make sure that your oil is at 350 degrees in heat at least. You don't want to put your chicken wings or anything you're frying in the oil if it's not at least 350 degrees, because you're going to have flour chicken or flour anything. Now, this right here is my breaded chicken wings. Halfway in the process, it is going to start to float, okay? The other halfway is going to come to the top on top of the oil. That's when you know that it is all set and it's all done. You definitely don't want to over fry or overcook rubber, because it's going to be dry and it has no moisture on the inside. But all the amount, the time and everything for the recipe will be listed down in the description box, so make sure so you go ahead and check that out. It's all there, okay? Now this is your unbreaded chicken wings. Here you're going to fry it for the same amount of time, but the texture on the outside will be a lot different from the breaded. As you can see here, it's still going to be nice and moist on the inside and filled with flavor and juicy and succulent all up on the outside. But yes, it is just as good, and we are going to get into making our sauce for this chicken wing just like you requested, okay? If you're still here watching me cooking, be sure that you have subscribed to my channel and turn on your post notification settings, guys, so that way you will not miss any of my uploads. And if you have not subscribed to my second channel, Life with Juliana, go ahead and subscribe to that channel as well. The link for that channel will be also listed down in the description box. Go over there and subscribe. All my vegan goodies, your recipes are over there, and everything else, story time and all them things, if you're into that type of stuff, they are over there. So go ahead and check it out. Show your girls some love, all right? Okay, so take another look at your breaded compared to the unbreaded wings. As you can see here, it's perfect. All right, so now we are going to go ahead and get our wings all ready for our sauce. And I'm going to make this sauce just like you requested it. It's going to be fast, it's going to be easy, and it's going to be, in fact, simple. Okay, so now that we are all done with our breaded and unbreaded, it's time to make the sauce for these chicken wings, okay? All right, now this is what I did. In a container, I added some soft butter, a little bit of salt, and some onion and garlic powder to the mix. Then I added some paprika to it and just a little bit of seasoning, all-purpose seasoning rather. Then I added some peach jelly to the mix for sure. And after the peach jelly, I did add some soy sauce to it to kick it up a notch. A little bit of ketchup, not too much though. And then to that, I added some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of black pepper, and definitely some dried parsley to it. And you could add fresh parsley. Just go ahead and pop it in your microwave, let the butter melt, give it a good mix, and you are good to go. You could even do it on stovetop if you like, okay? And here we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that good sauce on the chicken. And know that you could also put your chicken into a container, pour the sauce on it, give it a good shake, and you're good to go. But I really wanted to show you how the chicken looks individually when I place that sauce on the chicken, okay? So that's why your girl is doing it like this. But that sauce is perfect. And again, if you prefer, you could do it on stovetop. You might get it a little bit more glaze, a glazed texture if you do it on stovetop. But I like it when it's done in the microwave for this recipe, okay? But just do whatever suits you, because remember, when you're cooking, it's your kitchen and you have to make it how you like it, your own, okay? Nevertheless, it's going to taste just as good. Okay, now we're going to make the sauce for the second step. In a container, I added some mayo, a little bit of black pepper to the mix. Then I added some garlic powder. Then I added some onion powder. Now, after your onion powder, you still want to go in and flavor it up with that chicken seasoning or all-purpose seasoning if you prefer, whatever you prefer. And I did use my grated parmesan cheese to it. Just a tap bit of the apple cider vinegar, pour that in there. Now you could use fresh parsley here, or you could also use dried parsley, but I prefer to use dried parsley for this recipe. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil just to loosen it up a little bit, and gave it a good mix. Now you could also put it in your microwave. Put it in your microwave, guys, and you're going to have great results. Okay, everything's going to come together. But when you're said and all done, that is what you have. Look at how that look on the chicken wing, and this is the breaded wings. Okay, you could also put it on the unbreaded if you like, but just do whatever suits you, whatever makes you feel comfortable or you want it. You go ahead and you do it that way. And look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's so juicy, so perfect, so nice. I love it. Came out really, really good. I did go in with some fries because this is always a Friday Netflix and chill type of a recipe. Fridays is where we just kick back, watch a movie, and just eat chicken wings and french fries and all them things there. But there you have it, honey. It was all done. It was good. It was nice. It was fast and easy to do. Now, all I did was just garnish with a little bit of scallion, and I was done. I was done. Serve it up with some celery, and it was done, honey. It was fast, it was easy, and it was simple. So there you have it, honey. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Give your girl a thumbs up. If you like it, share it with friends and family. Tell them what's going on over here. Bring them, come and send them, come. I'm waiting. After you done do that, tell me what you like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy.